Hello crafty friends. In today's video I'm going to create something a little different and I think maybe a little new, and I'm going to call it sparkle windows. I'm going to start with laminated glitter. So I have these little stars and hearts in iridescent colors that are quite large glitter pieces that I've spread onto a laminated sheet and put it through the laminator to create these beautiful sheets. And I'm going to use that as the window part of my sparkle window. I'm going to cut this down to a smaller size so that the window is a manageable shape, and I'm just going to use the one side for now. And then I'm going to use this beautiful washi tape from the Washi tape shop. It's got a beautiful copper metallic finish to it, which I really love. And it's hard to see in the video a little bit, but the stars that I'm using are a purple color, although they seem to be blue in the light, and the washi tape has got the same purple tone, so I thought it suited it perfectly. And I'm going to place this all the way around, and it's going to look a little bit like a specimen window. It's going to have the same shape as a specimen window. I will put a link to the washi tape shop in the description below. Also look out for a discount code where you will receive 10% discount on your purchase. This washi tape is lovely and it's actually quite wide, so I will use the full width at the bottom of my sparkle window, and then on each side and the top I'm putting it and folding it over in half, so it's half the width. I would really love if you subscribed to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming your way. Also click the little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload new content. I would also like to let you know about my mini monthly giveaway. Every month on my channel, in one of my videos, I give away the handmade items that I create in that video. All you need to do is comment, so watch out for those. They come out every month. Have you heard about my full deck challenge? I'm altering a full deck of playing cards. I will put a link to the playlist for the cards made so far in the description below. You can also find my group in Facebook. Just search Full Deck Challenge Group. Let me show you a close-up of this beautiful washi tape that I'm totally in love with. Look at that copper metallic finish. It is just stunning. We could leave the sparkle window just like this, but of course I think more is more, so I'm going to embellish it and decorate it a little bit more. I've got into my art supplies and pulled out anything that's like a coppery finish or anything purple, and actually I've realized I don't have a lot of purple things, but I have found some that will work and we can finish this project. So I have some ribbon and some glitter cardstock, and I started with that. I'm going to do like a layered embellishment in the bottom part of this window. I found this roll of coppery paper. I'm not quite sure what it is. My sister had sent it to me a long time ago with a whole lot of art supplies, and I thought I could punch a circle, but it actually isn't paper. It's a bit like a fabric. It's very unusual. Anyway, I managed to get a circle out of that, and I think it suits it well. And then these leaves are made from they're actually moldable. You can actually bend the corners up. And those were actually from our wedding invitation over 13 years ago. I had a few spare, and I thought the copper really popped. And then I have some purple flowers, and we'll just finish this little embellishment off. It's really, I think, quite bright and bold, but I do like it, and I think it suits the card. Once I'm happy with the placement of all my little elements, I'm going to stick everything down with the hot glue. You may ask me, what would we do with this little window that we've made? Well, you could use it in a junk journal. You could put it on a page and clip it on with a really large paper clip. You could use it on a cover, and you could actually have like a sentiment underneath with this window on top so it shines through. There's many different ways and means that you could use it. If you noticed, I'm using a different glue for this little metal leaf. I'm using the E6000 glue because hot glue does not stick metal well at all. It'll just fall off. And my little copper sentiment, just to smile. I really hope you enjoyed this project with my washi tape from the Washi tape shop and were inspired to create your own little sparkle windows. Thanks for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye.